Welcome to the next UltipaGraph tutorial. In this actually we will be looking at the spread and KHop functionalities offered by UltipaGraph. So let's go and execute an example spread query. So I'm starting from the location 229 and I would like to go up to a depth of 1. Okay, so let me go and execute this. So starting from the node 229, how many nodes actually exist, which is actually one step from the 229 node. Now if you see actually this is Oxford Circus, so I will move this here. Now if you see actually right, yeah, the diagram is realigned. Now if you see right, all the nodes that are actually one step away from the 229 station, right, are all listed here. You can see here. Now remember, right, besides the direct connection, right, now the nodes that are listed, because we are actually trying to pick the nodes that are one step away, they also have edges connected among themselves. So those edges also will be depicted here. So spread actually right now helps you to figure out all the nodes that are one step away, the number of steps that you specify in the depth. Gets all the nodes, and not only that, in case if those nodes are actually mutually connected, right, those edges will also come. Okay, yeah. Next we will look at the next query. So instead of one, right, we'll go one more step. So I will go execute the second function. Now if you do this spread and run this again, I will be able to get two steps. Okay, now because we are going two steps away right now, so in the previous one right now, maybe we can execute this again, depth 1. So now right now if you see actually right, if I drag and drop this, if you see actually right, there are around there are, assume that right, 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are around 6 nodes, right, which are connected to the 2 to 9, which are one step away. Now right, if we increase the depth to 2, right, from every node we have around 6 nodes connected to the 2 to 9, and if we make it 2, right, from each of these 6 nodes, right, we will be executing the query one more time with the depth of 1. That's the equivalent when I say depth equal to, right, essentially, right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up and I can every node that is connected to the 2 to 9, and I will be executing the query one more time, depth 1, and be getting all the nodes which will be coming as a result of the executing the query equivalent to the query result, in case if I have to execute the query with the depth 1 for every node that is connected to 2 to 9. So let me execute this. You will see it's exploding, and this is the power of graph. Right now you will be able to get proceed or traverse with depth more easily with better performance than a relational model. Now let's go and do this one more time. Now what I'm going to do is, if I have to run the query one more time, so depth equal to 1, I'll go and do this one more time. If you execute this, right, this is the number of this is the result I get. Okay, so now if you see some of the results are, so this is 327, 124. So 124 green park is listed in T. Now in case if I have to omit, I would like to omit the 124 result, I can put a node filter. So I go to the spread function, and then finally after the depth, right, I can specify the node filter conditions, and I specify the ID shouldn't be equal to 124. So execute this, right. Now if you see right, you will be able to see 236, 253, 32, 327, 153, and 124 is not listed. Okay. So now I can go and apply the limit function also. Besides the filter, right, I can also apply the limit function too. So if I do this, I will be getting only 2 results because I have limited the results to number 2. Okay. And just like in a spread, we also have hop functionality. Hop also counts the kind of KHop nodes. That's a concept available in graph modeling. So now we will go and look at, right now the spread counts the number of nodes, and the KHop also more or less is the same. The key difference being that, right, in case if you have a connection between A, B, C, and listed A to C, ABC will be listed when we get to C direct connection, and A is connected to C via B also, A to C will be listed only if via the KHop, only if the depth is specified as 1. Okay, so I proceed and execute this here. Now this is the most important thing to remember. Assume that right now 229 is connected to another node, say 400, and now it is connected to 400 in multiple ways, right now via one node, via two nodes, via three nodes, via four nodes. Now when I say KHop, starting point is 229 and depth equal to 2, assuming that the connected node is 100, only the path wherein the depth is 2 will be listed. Even if it is connected via from the KHop to the 229 to 100 in multiple ways, only the paths that will be limited by the number of nodes 2 or the depth 2, right, will be listed. So I execute this KHop equal to 229, depth equal to 2, and return all the conditions. Now these are the stations right now that are actually connected to 229. Okay, you can go to the Excel sheet wherein we have the London tubes and London travels data, and look at what are the stations that are connected to the station number 229. Okay, and up to 2 right now, so we will now cover both 1 and 2. Okay, so up to 2, yeah, this results more. So thanks for watching, and soon we will be releasing a comprehensive case study on UltipaGraph. Thanks for watching, appreciate it.